If the standards aren't met, an item is found non-conforming, the project is ineligible for certification. As a woodworker, you then have three options. First, you can correct the nonconformity to meet the standard, and the project will be approved for full certification. Second, you can seek the architect or owner's representative's acceptance of the nonconformity without correction. This must be in writing. It will result in project approval for what is known as a limited certification, which means the project is certified and the architect or owner's acceptance is acknowledged on the certificate. The woodworker does face the penalty of being placed on probation for sections for which they did not make corrections, and on their next project with items in the sections noted will be inspected and they are charged all costs for inspection. The third thing you do is nothing. Make no corrections and do not provide the architect or owner's acceptance without correction. We do not recommend this as it will result in a revocation from QCP.